So I'm going to show you my journey with strawberries. It's been the first year I've been growing them. I've been growing both seedlings and seeds. The seeds just take a whole year. This is the smallest one, the saddest one. So I'm just going to put it close to another one, and I'm just adding some soil. As you can see, beetles. I see the strawberries. They've got this gorgeous, look how big the sheets are, the leaves, but unfortunately there's no fruits yet, so just huge leaves. Still beautiful, so I don't mind. There you can see strawberry leaves are huge. I mean, they're huge, and they give us lots of growth, but there's no flowers whatsoever yet. Therefore, well, I'm seeing here a little bloom. Maybe that one is gonna be one. I don't know if you guys can see. Loads and loads of strawberries. There's some weeds, but the thing is, I kind of give up on weeding these, because it turns out that the more I weed them, it's a never-ending story. So I've got plenty of strawberries, really happy about them. No, I was kind of worried because I would see like everybody would have this type of strawberries. Here you actually see one of the first strawberries that I've picked. I was so happy, so excited about it. And meanwhile, my flowers started to bloom also. So it was such a bundle of joy just to go and walk through the garden every day, see all the dahlias, the sweet peas, and just enjoy eating cherries and strawberries. So I hope this will get you in the mood to plant your own strawberries wherever you can, next to a river. That would be enough.